Dhanush reveals Idli Kadai release date, fans thrilled for Tamil New Year premiere. Dhanush has officially announced the release date for his upcoming film Idli Kadai, marking his third venture as a director and once again casting himself in the lead role alongside Nithya Menon. The announcement, which he shared on social media, reveals that Idli Kadai will premiere on April 10, 2025, perfectly timed with Tamil New Year celebrations. The film promises to bring Dhanush's distinct storytelling style to the screen, leaving fans eagerly awaiting this festive release. Dhanush's teaser poster. A glimpse of Idli Kadai's charming setting. In his post on X, formerly Twitter, Dhanush shared a new poster that showcases him standing in front of a quaint idli shop named Sivanesan. With blue skies and birds in the background, the poster hints at a heartwarming story set in a rural environment. This backdrop has sparked excitement, as fans anticipate a storyline filled with local flavor and depth, an approach Dhanush has mastered in his directorial projects. A reunion fans are waiting for. Dhanush and Nithya Menon. Idli Kadai also marks the much-anticipated reunion of Dhanush and Nithya Menon, who last worked together in the acclaimed film Thiruchitrambalam. Their chemistry as close friends who ultimately fall in love won over audiences, with Nithya even winning a National Film Award for her role. Their on-screen reunion has already generated a lot of buzz, as fans are eager to see the magic they bring in this new story. Dhanush's post goes viral. Fans celebrate the release date. Dhanush's social media post announcing the release date quickly went viral, amassing nearly 200,000 views within hours. Fans applauded the Tamil New Year timing, which they felt would be ideal for family gatherings and extended holiday viewings. "Perfect timing, long holidays ahead," commented one fan, while another wrote, "Another feel-good hit in the making." Many fans are optimistic about the film's box office potential, with some already predicting it will be a 200 crore rupees success. Stay tuned for more updates on Idli Kadai. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and join the conversation in the comments below. Your support means the world to us, and we're excited to bring you all the latest on this much-awaited release.